Hi, my name's Phil Judd and I work as a cartoonist, illustrator and animator out of my cartooning studio called Comic Express, based in Australia. So welcome to my new YouTube channel called Easy Cartoon Drawing School. And I'll talk a bit about that in a second, but I just wanted to introduce you to who I am and what I do. So in recent times I've illustrated these books for Scholastic, where I created all the characters and did all the illustrations. I've also in recent years, probably past 12 years, I drew and wrote this comic strip called Pet Therapy for Australian papers down here. And in the past 10 years, I've done over 900 live workshops with children from the age of 5 up to adults in their 80s. And I've also come a couple of drawing books in the process. I've also done quite a lot of online lessons one-on-one. So with all that experience, I decided that I wanted to create my own school. And the Easy Cartoon Drawing School is the result. So please subscribe and check in for regular lessons I'm going to put up weekly. And if you've never drawn before, it doesn't matter whether you're a young child or an adult, these drawing lessons are going to be very slow, very easy for you to follow in real time, step by step, and I'll be explaining the concepts of what I'm using and thinking as I do the drawings. So I'm trying to make them very easy to follow. So grab your paper and pencil. Feel free to add in your own stuff as you draw along with me and have lots of fun. Don't forget to subscribe so you know when new lessons are going up. And welcome to the Easy Cartoon Drawing School. Happy cartooning!